let this cool down. Yeah, clutch is gone.
I smell it. Yeah, I smell it heavy now. What was that, going into third?
Fourth. All right, we gotta be super careful.
All right, people, Lucifer in the chat.
Damn, bro. Oh, it's blown. I mean, I got a little bit left. Let's see. She's, yeah, dude, it's barely grabbing.
Damn.
We just gotta make sure we can make her home.
Well, we won't go far with her today.
I told you, bro, like it wasn't feeling right. Like the power's not there. Like
I guess once it was cool in the beginning when we were ripping on it, it was all right.
Yeah,
and then once it got
slipping.
hot, it was like, we're done.
Yeah.
I felt it go.
Yeah. I told you that's what happened the other day. Like, I did a third gear to fourth like that, and that's exactly what happened. But I wasn't sure if it was just me, but now it's confirmed. Like, you smell it now.
Oh, yeah, now I can smell it.
Now, I just gotta hope I don't fuck up this transmission. That ain't worth it.
Nah, it should be good. Just feel all right?
Oh, dude, she has no clutch, bro.
She left the chat.
She left the chat.
Well.
Oh, it sucks, bro.
Dude.
Fuck.
It's always some.
She's gone.
Well, how many miles you got out of this clutch? I mean, you were beating the shit out of it for real.
Yeah, like I said, I think it was just because it's rated for 700.
And you pushed it?
The car was living over that.
I mean, we always got to test the limits.
Well, we just picked up a straggler. What's your name, bro?
My name's Anch.
Anch?
Yeah.
Derek, good to meet you. I guess you watch the channel, right?
I do, dude. I love your channel.
I appreciate it. How long you been watching for?
About like 3 months ever since I met you.
Okay. I'm going to give him a little loop. I had told him I have to limp the car. Blew the clutch out. Fun stuff. He asked me, does this like break necks and get attention? Well, you'll hear in a second. It sounds ridiculous.
That sounds so fucking awesome, man.
So you can hear it like whistling and I would rip it with you in it, but I gotta be grateful I can even get this thing home. It did not like that.
That is so awesome, man. Look at that sound.
Give you a little rev.
Holy shit. Dude,
Yeah.
there's no way.
We gotta put her back under the knife, sadly.
Bro.
But
That's sick. I'm getting a Stang now, dude.
I appreciate it. Yeah,
sure.
get a Stang, bro. They're the
That is
best.
awesome.
They're the best. Hell yeah, man. You can't go wrong with a Mustang.
Thank you so much for letting me ride with you.
Absolutely,
I appreciate
bro.
that,
I appreciate
man.
the support, man.
I'll keep up watching on the channel, dude. Keep doing what you do.
Hell
For
yeah.
sure,
Well,
dude.
stay safe on that bike.
Thank you.
I've been down that road. Stay
I'll try.
safe.
Tell the others stay safe with me on it.
We are driving Lucifer right now. I get the honor of limping this old, beautiful, majestic girl home.
It's just awesome because if you f it up, then you
I owe
have
you
to
a new
tow
clutch. I think I feel like I'm getting set up right now. Oh, baby. Imagine I'm just, wow, bam. Colin just getting farther back.
wouldn't go really far.
No, it won't. All right, we're gonna limp old Lucifer home. And this is why I think I really need an S197 in my life. Drop a comment, let me know what you think.
Well, boys, we smoked her. And I'm just so grateful I was able to get it back home. But Lucifer is officially wounded. I wasn't exactly sure if the clutch was toast, but we just confirmed. She's gone.
I was third to fourth, just on throttle, sideways at like 140, and I went to fourth. And
Yeah, it's just such a mule,
It just happens. I mean, they wanted the content, so we're out here trying to film the content for the next Fast and Furious 37. That's what happened. We got a blown clutch. Poor girl. Shit. You guys want to buy it? 20K right now, blown clutch. Take it back to stock. Come pick it up, 20K, no tires.
Someone offered me 45 for it.
No shot.
I swear.
Should have been like,
Couldn't do it, dude. I don't know. I couldn't do it.
No, actually, I really do like this car.
I just don't know what I would buy after. Like, don't get me wrong, that kind of money, it's paid for. That'd be straight cash,
If
you
I'm
know?
being completely honest, I don't know if I'm just a loser and just a diehard Mustang guy. There's no other car out there like I really want. Like,
Yeah.
I could go get a C706. I don't want it. I don't want a C6. I don't like them. So I like the Mustangs. Everyone's just cool with the Mustang.
I'm gonna have to make a call here because we gotta get this thing planned and put under the knife ASAP because I still want to take it to Mustang Week. It does need a clutch. It needs some time to break in the new clutch, time to bring it somewhere to where they can put it in. Not exactly the ideal situation I wanted to be in, but it could be a lot worse. And I did launch the car on video one day, and in that video, if you saw that, I roasted the shit out of it. Considering the situation with Lucifer, that only gives us one option. Yo, what's up, man?
What's going on, big dog?
I'm doing well. How about yourself, bro?
Hey, nothing for damn paradise, just making things happen.
I hear that, bro. I hear that. I kind of did the opposite of making things happen. I kind of smoked there, bro.
Oh, dang it, man. What'd you do? What was going on? What happened?
I don't know. Was that stage 1 we put in there? I can't remember.
Yeah.
Stage 1.
We had a stage 1 organic that held 750 wheel torque in there. That's what we got for it.
Okay, well, I will say back in the day, I tried to do my first street launch, and I kind of probably slipped it a little too long. And yeah, she wasn't happy after that. She wasn't happy. And then since then, just beating the shit out of it. You know?
You know, I mean, we build and take abuse. Now, we called it vengeance for a reason. We wanted it to get and take hell every chance it got. So you were the guy.
Yeah, I was the guy. And it's actually crazy because that was like, hell, that was when you guys just introduced the domestic clutches. And now look at y'all. Y'all are everywhere.
Hey, man, we're trying. We're growing like wildfire right now. I mean, everything that we do right now is just for growth. You know, all the new cars, just unleashing out all the new GT350 stuff. You know, we got stuff even for, you know, your new Mach. We'll get you on that, too, as well.
Hell yeah.
All the new cars that are coming out, even that 650 stuff, we're going to have it. And then, hey, you Chevy boys, we got you, too, as well. You know, all you LS boys, we got power for you. So man, yeah, we're growing right now. You know, we got a bunch of new stuff in the shop to make parts, and that's what we're doing. We're making clutches for guys who want to go fast.
That's awesome. Yeah, no, I mean, I know a lot of people in the Mustang community, especially, like a lot of people are switching to Vengeance, bro. I see it everywhere. And I was like, I told y'all, because everybody got on my ass. They're like, dude, your MT82 ain't gonna like it. I was like, all right, well, you have competition clutch that absolutely destroys it in the JDM space. And now they're starting to make domestic clutches. I was like, how are you gonna go wrong with competition clutch and the sister brand Vengeance? So I was like, you know, let's give it a go. But I love it, man. I loved how it felt. I never once had a single issue with lockout. I never once had some like weird just like shifter locking, like notching it butter, bro. Fastest I've ever shifted a car. I figured I'd give you a call because you know, we're obviously filming a video, and Lucifer's back for a couple months, and now she's smoked, bro. I took her out the other day with Jake, and I was testing what I felt, because I did a 3rd to 4th, and the car didn't go anywhere. Like when I shifted in the 4th, but the RPMs are climbing. I was like, oh boy. And I smelled a little clutch, so I parked it for the day, and then Jake came into town, and I was like, all right, you know what? I wasn't 100% sure, so we took it back out. Not happy, so I limped it home, thankfully, but yeah, we gotta get her fixed up.
We're gonna do it. We're gonna get it right. We're gonna take a full swap, get that one that you got. Just take a look at it, you know, see what's there, see what we can learn from it, but then put a whole new assembly back into Lucifer, so she's happy and got what she needs.
Awesome. What are you guys thinking clutch-wise? Are we gonna run the same thing, you think?
No, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give you big dog power. I'm going to put you into a stage 3 clutch here. I'm going to give you our 6-puck. I want to give you all the power, you know, with everything that you're doing with the car. I want to give you everything that it's got. I want you to be able to hold it and not have to worry about anything ever again. So with that, we're going to go with a 6-puck ceramic clutch kit. Holds up to 1,000 wheel torque.
Oh, Jesus.
So with that kit, you'll be able to do whatever you want to do with that car.
Yeah.
But then you're still going to be able to daily drive it and enjoy what you got.
Yep.
It's just a quicker release, which is a great thing about it. The pressure plate we give it is real smooth, but then, you know, it just releases out a little bit faster and gives you just a quicker pedal feel. But other than that, man, it's rock on, same thing that you're used to, but it's going to be able to hold a lot more power and a lot more abuse.
Awesome, yeah. So it'll be future proof, probably to the end of time, honestly. And I don't really plan doing anything stupid crazy with that car. It's just that's my nice little weekend staple of the channel car, you know. So, but yeah, it's gonna be good knowing just beating the hell out of it. Well, it should be good. And yeah, I can't thank y'all at Vengeance again, man. For real, y'all come in clutch. No pun intended. Well, what kind of time frame we looking?
Right now, we're just a couple days out. We're going to build up some fresh new discs. That's what we're waiting on. And then you're going to have a clutch out there to you, an old VA, and get your boys to slap it in and get a break-in miles on it. And then I can't wait to see you lifting the front wheels off the ground.
Yeah, no kidding, right? No kidding. But what kind of break-in miles we talking? Like 1,000 miles or so?
Like you see 1,000 miles of easy break-in, but 750 to 1,000.
Okay.
Especially with their ceramic material, you want it to adhere to all of the friction surfaces that are in the clutch.
Gotcha.
That way, it protects your investment of the transmission, the car, the clutch. It just protects it all. But yeah, just put as many shifts as you can into the clutch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then do that for 750, 1,000 miles, and then you're good to go. Awesome.
Yeah, I'll make sure the braking is smooth so we don't have any issues. But appreciate the quick turnaround time. You obviously know this whole channel and stuff with Lucifer and filming, so that helps out a lot, man. That you guys jumped on it instantly. Oh, I think I lost you. I don't know what happened. Oh, damn. Didn't mean to hang up on you, Chris, but I want to thank you guys so much over at Vengeance. Chris, Vengeance, the whole squad. You guys have honestly been on board since day one, and I'm just stoked to be like literally one of the first ones to put the product out there with Lucifer. It's super cool to see how far you guys have come, and you guys are making crazy strides in the domestic world. So if any of you guys in here that have anything domestic or JDM, honestly, anything, go check out Vengeance clutches. I promise you, it is the wave now. A lot of people are recommending these clutches. Have Lucifer parked in Maverick's garage now because this is gonna sit until the clutch comes in and we find some time to get it to the shop to get it replaced. So rest in peace, Lucifer, in the chat. She'll be back. We're making a little trip to Wawa. It is excruciatingly hot out here. And I'm actually thinking we're gonna get my dad's Fraptor and his Raptor and do some off-roading content. And speaking about off-roading content, so I actually spoke with Ramina, and pretty big news, honestly. In the past, I know I mentioned about getting a house in Florida, but as of like this weekend, it is like a real deal thing that's happening very shortly. We are gonna go and look for a house. It's gonna be one of those things to where hopefully she can, you know, with her work, fly in once a week out of the month and work remote from the house. So this way we can still both go there together. I'll have Lucifer there, keep the car there, and she can do, you know, her work, and we can explore Florida, see what parts we like, see what parts we don't like, and yada yada. So that's priority number one. If that doesn't go through, then I think her and I are gonna look into an off-road build, either a Bronco, a 4Runner. She likes the new 4Runners, and not a truck. I don't know, because this is gonna be something she wants to drive and stuff, and it's just gonna be kind of like a tool for me to use and for us to go camping and stuff and do some cool stuff like that. But yeah, I think those are like the two options right now, but we're both leaning towards the Florida house for sure. Pretty big news, and hopefully we can lock that in very shortly. That was absolutely horrifying.
Yeah. I gotta live with that.
Now you see why he signaled.
Putting shit in the title though.
Yes, you are.
Gonna get killed.
Hey, this is gonna go viral, and you're gonna owe me.
Yo, get the camera out my eyes.
Dude, are you smoking?
My car's been fucking puffing, dog.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Get your video, bro.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Wow, that's quiet, dude. Not only are you gonna get gapped, but my car's gonna be louder. We're gonna go down the street right now because Brandon has been on a like car reviewing gig for his channel. If you guys didn't check out him reviewing the Mach, go check it out, it's on there. But we just told him, like, if he does car reviews and he does his own twist by making them hilarious with his passive aggressive attitude, like, I think he'd crush it.
Everyone's gonna know he's joking because he has that personality. Dude, where people are not gonna take it seriously. I told him it's perfect.
It's too funny. I think Brandon's filming his intro right now. Y'all gotta see this.
What's up, motherfuckers? We all know that the Mustang shits on the Camaro. Alright, what's up, motherfuckers? We all know that the Mustang shits on the Camaro.
hide behind the tree, dude. Where are you going? All right, now run. Go.
All right, guys. This is why Raptor is better than the TRX. You see these big meat Larry Hoovers right here? Not one TRX has 37s on it, ever.
I told you rule number 1 when we're out filming. What is it?
Lock it in.
Suck it in. Look buff, get big. There we go. You're looking fucking juiced.
I thought you were calling for a second. Yeah, you're about to...
With that though, if you haven't checked out Monday's video where we got the long tube headers installed on Maverick, this car is currently tuned by Lund on the 93 and we have the okay to slap the E85 tune in, fill up those jugs right there full of E because this car is going to live on E for a very, 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 very long time. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up today's video. Thank you so much for tapping back in. Go watch Monday's video if you haven't watched it already. It's an absolute heater. We ripped on this car. Full exhaust, sounds insane, and there's a lot more to come with this. We have parts from our friends over at Steeda going on very soon. We're taking a couple trips, and I guess you can call it full bolt on. I don't know if that's the correct terminology considering the car stock came with a 350 manifold and cold air intake, but there's really no sense to switch that because it came on a Shelby, so it's like some of the best stuff you can get. I don't know, I don't really think it's necessary. But with that, I'm out of here. Make sure you text my phone, 804-837-1293. Get alerted, merch is coming, and it's only 300 shirts, guys. Only 300. I get my sample in today, and my God, it is going to be so sick to start collecting these, because this is 001. Every shirt I drop is going to be labeled. This is 001, the next drop will be 002, and you literally have the opportunity to start collecting now. So be ready for that. Make sure you're absolutely dialed and go watch Monday's video. But until next time, we'll see you later.